Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, welcome. Clash of Clans remains incredibly popular, and many of you want to play it on your Linux machine. You might have noticed it's not directly supported like on Windows or Mac OS, which can be a bit frustrating. But don't worry at all, there are actually effective and reliable ways to get it running. We'll explore the best methods for 2025, ensuring you can jump into the battle and manage your village without any major roadblocks. The most common and by far the most reliable method for playing Clash of Clans on Linux involves using an Android emulator. Tools like Waydroid or Anbox are fantastic. They essentially create a complete, virtual Android environment right on your Linux desktop. This powerful setup lets you install Clash of Clans directly from the Google Play Store, just as you would on a typical Android phone or tablet. It truly gives you full access to the game. Beyond emulators, another interesting option emerging is cloud gaming services that offer Android emulation. While perhaps less direct than a local emulator, these can sometimes provide a surprisingly smoother experience, especially if your local machine isn't super powerful, as they offload the processing. You could also explore running Android x86 itself within a full-fledged virtual machine, though that's generally more resource-intensive and often a bit more complex to properly configure for optimal gameplay. Once you've decided on your preferred method, whether it's Waydroid, Anbox, or another solution, the setup process is generally quite straightforward. First, you'll install the emulator or set up your chosen Android environment on your Linux system. From there, it's as simple as opening the Google Play Store within that environment, searching for Clash of Clans, downloading it, and then signing in with your Supercell ID. After that, you're all set to begin building your empire and battling. For the best possible performance and a smooth gaming experience, always ensure your Linux system has plenty of RAM and a capable processor. These are key. Also, make sure to keep your chosen emulator or Android environment consistently updated for both security and the latest game compatibility. Remember, there's a huge and vibrant community online ready to help with specific troubleshooting, ensuring your Clash of Clans adventure on Linux remains truly enjoyable and seamlessly smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.